Good morning, this is Jacob Wheeler, Red Rock Roofing. Today I'm standing on top of 11220 Ebony Street in Firestone. Thank you, Mrs. Crouch, for allowing us to come up here on your roof. Now, normally I'd like to start on the ground, but for safety purposes, since this is a two-story roof, I'm going to go ahead and start up here on the top story. Now, I did notice that your house is up to code in regards to drip edge, which is a 2-inch by 2-inch metal flange designed to completely encapsulate these eaves from any kind of wind-driven rain. So that looks good in all the code. So the next thing I want to go over is what any insurance agent is going to look for, which includes collateral damage. Now, collateral damage is signs and indicators up here on the soft metals that there was hail on this roof. So as you can see, I went ahead and chalked up a couple spots that the evidence is up here. So the next thing we want to look for is what's called spalling. Spalling is when hail hits the shingle, dislodges the granule, showing the fiberglass underlayment underneath, just like this. See a couple more examples over here as well. Now, traditionally, I'm looking for anywhere between 6 and 10 of these hits on any given slope to go ahead and qualify you for a roof replacement. As you see, I went ahead and chalked up several areas and several slopes, and I am finding these 6 to 10 hits on each one of these slopes. What this tells me is that it's definitely time to know what your options are in regards to the hail damage up here. All that being said, the last thing I want to point out is just a quick tidbit about your ventilation here. You do have several vents up here, which is great. Definitely not seeing a ton of heat cracking. However, your roof would be a fantastic representative for what's called a ridge vent system. Now, being 17 times more effective than this little guy, it'll guarantee that you have that air circulation that you're looking for. It'll go across this entire ridge here and over here to guarantee that you have that proper airflow. All that being said, just want to thank you so much for allowing us to come up on this roof. Definitely time to know what your options are. Jacob Wheeler, Red Rock Roofing, stand.